Hello everyone! Today I will teach you how to add a child theme to your WordPress website. So if you install WordPress on your website and if you want to make changes to your theme and you want to maintain these changes, you will need a child theme. Basically, a child theme is a folder which is separate from your original theme, and it basically keeps all the changes, and if you update your website, these changes will be maintained. Then they will not be affected by your WordPress updates. So with that being said, if you want to just change your CSS, you don't really need a child theme. WordPress has a customized section here. So if you go to the custom CSS section, and if you add any CSS here, they will be maintained. So if you're just going to change the CSS, you don't really need a child theme. But if you're going to make changes to the core files, or if you're going to add new functions to your website, then you really need a child theme. So I will show you a simple way to install a child theme on your website. So the easy way is using a plugin. This way you don't make any mistakes in the codes, or you don't accidentally delete files or copy files that you don't need. So this is a really easy way to add a child theme to your website. So you go to plugins and you press add new. So in the plugin section, you search for child theme. So once you search for child theme, some plugins will come up. So this is basically the plugin that you have to be installing. It's called Child Theme Configurator. So you press install now. So you press activate. And when you press activate, there will be a new sections in the tools part. So you go to tools and you go to child themes. And basically this is the control panel to create your new child theme. It's really easy. I have a theme called Ocean WP. You just press analyze. And basically these are the settings that you have to set up for your child theme. So just use the primary style sheet. For this section, use the WordPress style queue. And also tick this part. So basically what this part does is it copies the menus and widgets from your parent theme to your child theme. So you don't lose them basically. And there's also another part in this section. You can adjust these as well. These are completely up to you. They can be adjusted to anything you like, but I will just leave them as they are. And once you did all this, you just press create new child theme. Okay, so the child theme is being created. It will take a few seconds and it will install the child theme onto your website. Okay, there you go. Now you have your child theme installed. Just one thing you have to remember is that you have to activate the child theme. So I will go to Appearance, Themes. And as you can see, there's a new child theme installed and you have to press Activate. So basically now my child theme is activated and I can make any changes to the core files I need. So if you go to Appearance and Theme Editor, you will see that your child theme is here and there's two files added. And the first one is the style files. You can put any CSS here and it will basically override your parent CSS file. You can also add any functions to this function PHP file after this part. So any new functions added will also be saved and will override your parent file. So if you need to add any core files from your parent theme to your child theme, you can go back to the plugin in Tools, Child Themes. And from this section, there's a file section and you can see all the files here. So basically you can, for example, choose the page PHP file and press copy selected to child theme. And there will be a copy in your child theme now. So if we go back here and have a look, so we can see there's a page PHP added to your child theme. So I can make any changes to my page.php file and this will override my main theme. So there you go. This is the easy way to install a child theme on your website without any coding, without any copying, and without really making any mistakes. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell button. Thank you everyone. See you next time.